eat it, they'll be like, say what? It's vegan? So yeah. Hey guys, it's your girl Chef Joya, and welcome back to Say What, It's Vegan. And today we're gonna work with some amazing autumn flavors. We're gonna make my version of Caribbean pumpkin soup. And wait, hold on. Don't go get a Halloween pumpkin, y'all. It's a totally different type of pumpkin, all right? Because I don't know what kind of soup that's gonna be, but you wanna look for this type of pumpkin. This one is already cut for you all. So you see the inside and the outside. And y'all know my pronunciation is the best, but it's called calabaza. So I'm gonna start off by adding some olive oil to it. You can use rapeseed oil. I just like the flavor that the olive oil gives. You could also use coconut oil since that is like a tropical oil. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to actually, first, these vegetables I'm gonna toss in this pot first because I'm gonna end up taking these out. So this is my chayote, my russet potato, and my corn and plantain. We're gonna get our yellow yam in here too, because the yellow yam is going to go with the quick veggies. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of sea salt in here just to help bring some of those flavors out. And we don't wanna cook it down too much. I'm just gonna take it out and I'm gonna just put it back on the side. So we're gonna add some more oil. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add in our herbs and our garlic. So we have our garlic, our ginger, our onions, our green onions, our shallot. So I'm using that onion. I am using 2 of them. Ma'am. Hold on, shit, pause. I'm just burning my dang on eyeballs out. That onion, I think it was like on a level 30. And our 2 Scotch bonnets, like I said, most people just use 1 or half of one. I love heat and spice, so I'm gonna make this super spicy. So we're gonna go ahead and get that sauteed. Then I'm also gonna add some fresh thyme to it. All right, put a little bit of sea salt in it just to help bring out some of those flavors. Add some of my pumpkins. Now, this is where you can actually do some of your pumpkins now, let it cook, and then you can take it out, put it on another pot, and let it boil. And that way, if you wanna make it a thicker consistency, you can blend it up and add it back to it. Next, we're gonna take a couple of bay leaves. I always tell you, count the amount of bay leaves that you put in it so you can remember, because these, you can't eat them, right? The next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is use this garlic, scallion, and allspice. And then we're gonna go ahead and add a touch of our regular allspice. So next we're gonna go ahead and use Golden Chick, my new seasoning. So this seasoning is made for anything that's supposed to have like a chicken poultry flavor, like turkey. It's good for like gravies, dips, and it's definitely great for soup. And this is like, I'm doing the chicken version of it without the chicken, but all the seasons and flavors that I have in it is going to jam pack it. So like, usually when I cook, I be like, use salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, all that type of things to get those base flavors. This has all of it in it. It even has the smoked paprika that you usually use for this dish, but now we ain't gotta add it because we got the smoked paprika. So we got everything you need in this dish to make any poultry dish taste amazing, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and get this in here. And yes, you know I season to the gall, so don't judge me. We're gonna get all that flavor in here. That's why I had to make the bottle so big, because I know when y'all use it, y'all gonna just be like, I need more, I need more. It looks like it's a lot, but it's so good. You're gonna be like, I don't know why she playing. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegan chicken bouillon. All right, so now that we got these nice and stirred, we're gonna go ahead and add our liquid to it. You can add water, or you can add vegetable stock just to get a little bit more flavor. Yes, I already know I got the chicken bouillon, but I wanna add more flavor to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some veggie stock to this. So we're gonna bring this up to a nice boil. We're gonna allow this to cook for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna add the rest of our veggies to it, okay? All right, so we're gonna go ahead, and now it's time to add our veggies. Everything is smelling phenomenal. I'm already actually tasted the broth, which is sensational. So we're gonna add our quick cooking veggies. This should cook for about another 10 to 15 minutes. Also, what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I have to do it for the culture. You really don't have to have it in there. This is so flavorful, but typically this seasoning is used, this pumpkin seasoning is used to give it more of that pumpkin-y flavor. Now, if you are MSG sensitive or you don't like to use MSG, this is not gonna be the seasoning for you. Our soup is done and it smells absolutely delicious in here. I cannot make this up, guys. It is phenomenal. Oh my gosh, look at that. At this time, you wanna go ahead and get your bay leaves out of here. We're gonna add some green onion to finish it off, and it's actually gonna give it a nice touch of flavor. Oh my gosh. That is phenomenal. Like, you can just take the broth out and eat it. Like, listen, this is everything. Yo, when you all try this out, let me know what you think about this. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, vegan or not, you're always gonna love this food. And I will see you next time. Ciao. Ooh, this is good.